Want to send money online easily and conveniently? With Western Union, you can transfer money to over 200 countries and territories with just a few clicks. First, go to the Western Union website and click Send Money. Then, select the country where you'll send the money and enter the exact sum of your transfer. Your receiver can get the money in cash at an agent location, as a bank transfer or other suitable ways, depending on the receiver's country. Western Union lets you choose from a number of payment methods: a bank transfer, a bank card, or by cash in store. At the top right of the screen, you can always check your transfer amount and transfer fees, as well as how fast your money will reach the receiver. To continue, you'll be asked to log in or register to create your Western Union online profile. To register, enter your full name and relevant contact details, including your email and address. Finally, you will need to enter the receiver's full name and their relevant contact details. If you send large amounts of money on a regular basis, you may need to provide an ID document to verify your identity. Once all the information has been provided, you can review and confirm your transfer. After the payment is made, your money will be sent. With a Western Union online profile, you can easily check your transfer history and quickly resend money to previous receivers. Know that you can send money around the world using your smartphone. Simply download our app and make money transfers on the go. Just a few clicks and your money is sent to your loved ones with Western Union.